Solid surfaces, known to many as Corian. In this video we are going to look at what they are and why you should be using them. Solid surfaces are a man-made material generally composed of alumina trihydrate. Alumina trihydrate is an extract from the natural rock bauxite. Bauxite is the primary ore used to produce aluminum. There are only 2 bauxite refineries in the United States, and 90% of all alumina trihydrate extracted is used in the production of aluminum. This extract is combined with mixtures of acrylic or polyester resins that act as binders. This, along with various mixtures of different pigments and fillers, gives solid surfaces a large array of custom colors. Although being a man-made material, solid surfaces can be manufactured to mimic many different naturally occurring textures. One of the primary reasons solid surfaces was even created was to create a hygienic, non-porous material. On your screen is a list of many different benefits of solid surfaces. Solid surfaces as a whole have hundreds, if not thousands, of different color options. When configuring a solid surface product with Grifform innovations, you can specify your product's shape, sizes, and colors to design your product exactly how you might need it.